Rewilded sites, left to their own devices, will develop a flora reflecting local species able to colonise new sites. But how would scarce, less mobile species get there?
So how many different plants are you hoping to naturalise at Wild Landfill?
Well, we hoped to plant about 5, didn't we?
Verbena officinalis, Onathi pimpinelloids.
Corky-fruited water dropwort is a member of the carrot family that will grow in tall grassland, but doesn't occur as a wild plant anywhere on Anglesey. So Ellen is going to introduce it.
Hypericum undulatum, the marsh helleborine.
Marsh helleborine is one of the more common orchids on Anglesey, but it doesn't occur on any of the wild landfill sites.
One in the box that I should have brought in so I could actually get it out and show it to the camera.
What's that one called?
Grass
It's
poly.
Grass poly.
Grass
Yeah.
poly.
Grass poly presents Ellen with an ethical issue. It is a rare plant listed in Section 41 of the Natural Environment and Rural Communities Act in England, but not in the equivalent Environment Wales Act in Wales. It persists in a moist vegetable patch, so it might be successful in pond margins, but shall need to validate its introduction with the statutory body.
I think you should write to NRW. I might do the groundwork for you, but I think you should write to NRW
please.
and explain what it is you want to do and see what species licence say. So I'll contact them during the week and find out about it.
Okay. I also thought the Hypericum was really interesting because while we were planting it, we were sort of finding the lining for the ponds.
Wavy leaf St John's wort doesn't make it quite so far north as Anglesey, but there's no reason why it shouldn't. Ellen planted 12 plants in 2 rows on a transect from wet to dry ground.
Does it have any benefit for conservation, your project? Because it's quite controversial in some respects.
I guess it is. I think, again, it's at Wild Landfill, which is such a...
Controversial because purists might regard Ellen's project as little more than gardening.
New combination of new ideas for conservation in general. It's quite out there. It's not like a lot of the conservation sites that we have to visit for university and look at for university. So I think maybe these are new conservation methods, just planting plants, see if they grow.